just using the art isn't enough. We need to create new social history, new opportunities, and new ways in which we can express ourselves.
Our work could be a way for you to talk about how you feel, who you are and what you've experienced.
We're very lucky in the Midlands that we have a hotbed of incredible creativity and artist networks already existing. What we did was use and reach out to various artists as a way of interfacing and connecting on so many different other levels. The artists as voices to capture what we can't say or what we don't see around us, I think is absolutely incredible.
I told my mum that I was going to meet you. She said, be polite, be smart, dress nicely, give them a cup of tea.
Not only are we doing this project in dialogue, it's also through artist commissions creating new artwork, new opportunities that's gifted straight back to the communities directly for their use. We're also doing that as a way of ethically evaluating and following our own footsteps as well.
50 years ago, he fought for his own right, wearing turban at the workplace.
Yes.
In his presidency, we had to fight for disabled people.
Yes.
Maybe he had some sort of influence not to put this photo on.
These groups on this project that I've worked with, the care that has emanated from the leaders and from the groups of the community, it's palpable. And as an artist, to be within that feeling, to be cosseted and warmed by that feeling, that's where my work lies, and it's been a real privilege. I've always come into Wolverhampton Art Gallery as a place to nourish my soul. All of it really has, and when I've been upset, it's been a place that I've come to be calm. For this project, the people have been inspiring, but the collection has been the beautiful burnt sienna drawings, the very old ones. I think they're about 500 years old. There's something, there's a compassion there. There's a relationship, although we don't know who the artist is, there's a relationship between the sitter and the artist. You can see it in the drawing, and for me, that part of the collection has really informed the way I've approached this project. I think it's wonderful that today you could see that the ladies were engaging with the work. They understood that it was their work. It belonged to them, it belonged to their community, and they could see that they were represented within that collection. And they really responded to that, I thought. It was, the fact that someone had taken time to draw them, and it was, I feel that, they're a very special group that have a very special energy. They share so much together, well, it just felt a privilege to be in the group with them, feeling all that energy, and they were so generous, so kind, so loving. I wanted to join them.